Hey everyone, so this is the Vectors Part 2 video. I will leave the Part 1 video link down below where I go into a bit more detail about how to do this process and explain it a bit more. For Part 2, I will explain it, but we are mainly going to be going over these two questions on the right. So let's begin. So as we discussed in the first video, x, y, z are the destination points, and then a, b, c, d are the vectors, and they have direction and magnitude. So let's start with y, x. Now this one is slightly different because we're going to be working with going the opposite way of the vector. In the first video, we just all had pluses, we were all going in the right way. Now for question number 1, we have to go from y to x. Now we have vector d, but as you can see from the arrow, it's going the wrong way. It's going from x to y. Now we could go the long way around, but we're still going to have that problem. The vector is going the wrong way. So what do we do? Well, our answer is just going to be minus d. So it's going to be minus the d vector because it's still the right direction and magnitude, but just the opposite direction. So we just write it as negative d. So y to x is going to be negative d. Hopefully that made sense. If you do have comments or questions, drop them down below. Now let's do yw. So how would you get from y to w? There's two routes you can take. Please feel free to pause the video and give it a go. Now I've decided to take this route, and as you can see, they're both going the wrong way. So they're both going from w towards y, but we want to get from y to w. So the first thing we would do is go from y to z, which would be negative c, and then z to w, which is negative b. You could have also gone negative d, negative a. That is correct as well, because it doesn't matter which route you take. As long as you get there, it's going to be the correct answer. So hopefully that was clear. Hopefully it made sense. We're more dealing with negative vectors in this one, so I'll probably put that in the title. So I hope that all made sense. I hope it was clear. Best of luck with your maths, and thanks so much for watching.